Today I'm going to teach you how to make some nice crusty overnight bread for soups or just eat with some butter. First we're going to get a cup of warm water. I just use it straight out of the sink. It cannot be over 105 degrees roughly. I use King Arthur flour, but you're going to need whole wheat and bread flour and then active or instant yeast. In the warm water, add the half teaspoon of yeast and then a 1/4 cup of the whole wheat flour and 1 1/4 cup of bread flour. Add it to a sifter and just sift that into your yeast water mixture. Mix it together and you get like this pudding-like consistency, and then we're just going to let it rest. You can let it rest up to 16 hours or overnight. I'm going to leave it in the oven to do so. As you see, never mind my pan down there. So the next day is going to look like this. It should have doubled. And then what you can do is use this entire mixture. You're going to add another cup of lukewarm water, some more yeast, which would be about 3/4 of a teaspoon of active yeast, and then a tablespoon of sugar and salt to taste, roughly about 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. I just kind of eyed it here. Then you'll mix this up with flour, and I add a cup of flour at a time. This right here is about 2 cups of flour total, and then you just mix it. Once it gets to a good consistency, you can ditch your spoon and just knead it with your hands. You want to knead it until it's completely mixed together, but I would say for a good 10-15 times. Now after you're done, cut it in half. Place it on your stones or a bread pan if you don't have stones, and just let it set for a good hour. And I did not film the resting part, but I did bake it at 425 for about 20 minutes. 25 minutes total. I didn't cook it long enough, but it was still good. It still had a very nice warm texture. I added a cup of water, or you can do a can of water in with it to give it that crusty texture, and some nice warm butter, and it was delicious. This is just one of many ways to make bread. So thanks for joining me today, and have a blessed day.